Templates are great to share your PMs across multi-sites, but if you only have one site, I don't suggest creating templates. You won't need them. Simply create a PM. I'm going to open up a PM called Ream HVAC Inspection. And a PM is 5 accordions. The first part is the details of your PM. So I'm calling it Ream HVAC. Ream is a 5-ton air handler unit on my roof. This is a 5-day due date, but I'm actually giving my team 14 days to complete. So what that means is, depending on the schedule, let's say it's a monthly PM. So Maxpanda will generate a monthly work order against this asset, but my team will have 14 days to complete it. Okay, not 1 day or 7 or 5. I'm overriding. So I copied and pasted right from the O&M manual. This is the Ream HVAC commercial series, C13 unit. Ream wants me to do this every 3 to 4 weeks or every 3 months, whatever. So that you can type it out, or you can upload your manuals to the PM itself. I'm pre-assigning my staff some parts to the work order and a vendor. Okay, so they're going to get automatically assigned to every work order this PM creates, whether it's a year contract or forever. And that happens from the scheduler. Okay, so a PM for changing filters could be set up as the first Monday of every 2 months. So every 2 months, on the first Monday, a new work order will generate. It'll assign the staff and the vendor, and it'll also have a 14-day automatic due date on it. It has no end date, so it'll run forever. But if I had a year contract, I can just go like this. So 6 work orders times 2, that's 2 months. That's a year contract with a specific vendor. I have 5 tasks that are assigned to the PM. They all have to be completed, all different data and details that I want to capture for every work order, all 6 work orders. Now, attachments, you can upload different attachments to the PM itself. I have a procedure diagram. This is like a 6 meg file that will help my my staff and vendor understand what to do and with this piece of equipment. I also have a safety checklist for insurance purposes. Every PM you create, you have a database of every work order it has generated for you. What's cool about that is I can go back to 2015, April 2015, edit the work order to see who worked on it, what did we do to it, what were the costs, et cetera, et cetera.